Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore phone icon to home screen on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So if you removed your phone icon app from here by accident and you want to restore it and you don't know how, I'll show you how to do it. And don't worry, you haven't deleted it from your phone, you just deleted it from your home screen. So it will appear here in your app drawer. So as you can see here, phone. So to restore it to your home screen, click it and hold it and then drag it here back to home screen. So basically that's it. That's how you restore your phone icon to home screen on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.